Here we are on a job site out in Los Angeles. It's a smoggy day. I'm gonna walk over here and show you guys some scrapers running. It's after lunchtime, it's afternoon. We're working on a big cemetery up here. Just gonna give you an idea how steep it is. The scrapers are loading down the hill. We got a dozer here ripping in the cut. Some of the small dozers, but you can kind of get an idea. I'm gonna walk over here to the edge. He's getting a load. Super steep over here down in the hole. Trying to fall on my ass here. Give you guys an idea of how steep it is over here. Looking off over the edge here. Here we go. Now when I say it's like super steep, I mean it's like super steep. So down in the bottom we call that the fill. They're down there dumping right now. Got a rock truck bringing in some stuff. The water pool down there mixing. Put the D9 down there with the tamper behind it. And we got 4 657s down at the bottom. We'll make that way. You can see out and beyond. Pretty good sized job here. Building, basically those are the cribs over there. Putting all that together. Everybody's going through the fill. So then these scrapers are gonna walk their way out of here. I'm gonna try to go down here without crashing myself here. Show you how steep this is. Dozers over here ripping. It's super steep and super sharp, shaly, kind of hard material. You guys are coming out. It's a hard pull up out of the cut in the field. Kind of cool because you'll get to see scrapers walking up out there. You see the rock truck, he's going back for another load. And then you get the scrapers climbing up out of the hill, out of the cut. And they go up that hill over there, which is damn steep. I don't know how else to show you guys how steep this is. One of the steeper jobs we have going right now. We've also got one in Orange County, but LA County, Los Angeles. You see the Buddhist temple over there. There's another temple over there. These are the highest points of this cemetery here. So there the scrapers are going on up the hill. They'll come up and around the corner and then start off down the super steep hill. You'll see when they start loading too how fast the dirt gets up in the can as they're coming down in here. See them climbing up the hill. engines, one in the front, one in the rear. I wasn't going to be able to climb the hill. You see how fast it gets loaded? And it's done really quick. Now, he'll have to drag all the way down into the bottom there, otherwise it'll get going too fast. When they're loaded up, you know, we're looking at 250,000 pounds. Once they're loaded up, hear the engines, you hear the machines starting to accelerate. And they're full. So they're headed to the cut now. I'll get on down to the field. Now it's full. How fast they get full. It's boiling over. We don't necessarily want that. We want them to not be boiling dirt over the top like that. But he's definitely full load. His partner behind him. Now go to the bottom and start filling it up. They'll go down there and dump their loads, and then they'll dump water in it, and then they got the tamper there, and they're mixing all the material in. In about a month, this entire hole will be filled up. Now slopes all around it. He's doing his thing, kind of mixing up. They run in pattern. You'll see one dump, and then you'll see the other one dump to the right of that one. It's all the dirt, and then the water pole will come in and start spreading water out everywhere, and then the dozer will come in and mix it. So as you see the dozer, the water pole's kind of heading that way. And these guys will do this all day long. Anyway, out here on the job, and just want to tell everybody to check us out on YouTube on Mike Bowman Racing. Like and subscribe if you haven't already. We got some cool stuff coming. Trying to video and trying to show a little bit what we do during the day, and we got our employees here, you know, moving mountains. All right, thanks.